Hi friends, Heroine. How do you pronounce this word? Heroine? No, it is heroine. Hero. Is it hero? No, it is hero. Hero, heroine. Hero, heroine. Get that pronunciation correctly? Hero, heroine. There is another word. Heroin. That also is heroin. That is a narcotic drug. Heroin. Both these words are pronounced the same way. These kinds of words pronounced alike and having different spelling and meaning are known as homophone. What is that? Homophone. Take another example. Hour, our. Our. The pronunciation is same, but spellings and meanings are different. Or another example, TWO2 and TOO2. These are all homophones. So remember today's word HEROINE, heroine. Heroine. Thank you.